Hi, I'm Callum Ryan.
And I'm Elise Carrick at the agency. Come and have a look through 321 Everingham Avenue in Frenchville. This beautiful double-storey brick home in Frenchville has an open plan kitchen, dining and living area downstairs that leads onto the patio overlooking Brockhampton. Upstairs we have 4 generous sized bedrooms, including this large master suite with sweeping views over Brockhampton City, an ensuite and plenty of storage.
If you'd like more information on this home,
Reach out to Callum, myself or anyone at the team at the agency. We look forward to meeting you.